Hello everyone, cozy welcome back. Now I'm gonna demonstrate how to make a fabric box. So let's take your materials. In addition, you need to prepare 6 pieces of cardboard to insert them between fabrics. The next thing we are gonna do is lay the main fabric wrong side up. And you want to take and reconfirm the cardboard that is 18 centimeters rectangle. Maybe cardboard is a little bit smaller than the line on the main fabric. So now you can see 19 centimeters rectangle shaped line. Next, what you want to do is fold it over 1 centimeter and press it with your iron. We just need to fold pieces of main fabric because the bottom's color is different. The next one that I'm gonna show you is prepare the cotton batting and lay the main fabrics right sides up. Next, you want to leather stitch. We are gonna take 4 pieces of lining that are the same size with the main fabrics. And then lay the linings wrong side up. Stitch along the line. Next, you want to clip those corners because this is gonna make them easier when you turn them right sides out. Our next step is take your needle and begin poking at those corners. So now we are gonna insert the cardboards. Now stick some pins to fix it. As you can see, I'm blind stitching. To get our bottom of the box, we are gonna lay 1 cardboard on the lining and then do a running stitch a little away from the edge. Next, you want to pull and wrap it over so that we can insert it. Let's prepare 2 kinds of fabrics because it's time to make a pinwheel. After sewing, you want to cut it along the X-shaped line with your ruler and rotary cutter. Now we're just gonna do is press the seams in the same direction so that they can go to the dark colored fabrics. I've already pressed them with my iron. Next, you want to put them right sides together and stitch along the lines. Now open them. Stitch along the line one more time. Finally, we finished making our pinwheel block, so now we are gonna lay the cotton batting and the pinwheel block and then lay the lining wrong side up. Maybe, stitch along the line except the opening. Our next step is Trim the excess cotton batting. And clip those corners because the next step is turn it right side out. Now take the cardboard to insert it. And what you want to do is put the decoration and stitch it. Since I've touched my tripod with my leg by mistake, so now the monitor is wobbling. Sorry, I'll be careful. Let's blind stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. Only one more step and our fabric box is complete. Do you know what it is? That's right, blind stitch. I hope you guys enjoy your sewing time and see you later.